Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr Sudarshan. Today, let us learn about a very famous Ayurvedic hair oil, Neelibhringadi Oil. It is widely used to promote hair growth and to treat hair loss, split hairs, premature graying, baldness, scalp itching, dandruff, hair thinning, etc. It improves the overall quality of hair. Coming to the ingredients of this oil, it contains juice of Indian indigo leaves. It is best used to promote hair growth and treat grey hair. Then juice of false daisy. It is the best hair tonic used to improve the quality of hair and it treats hair fall, grey hair and dandruff. Winter cherry, Indian gooseberry, goat milk, coconut milk, buffalo milk, cow milk, coconut oil, licorice. It is also a good hair tonic. Root of abrus. It treats hair fall and anjana. The oil prepared with coconut oil base is called Neelibhringadi Tailam or Neelibhringadi coconut oil. Its reference is taken from the treatise Sahasra Yogam Taila Yoga Prakarana. Let us know the mode of usage and side effects of this oil. This oil is meant only for external application. It is applied over the scalp and to the roots of the hair, followed by gentle massage for 5 minutes. It is left on hair for 30 to 60 minutes before washing the hair. You can also apply this at night and wash the hair in the morning. It is best to use herbal hair wash powders to wash off the hair oil. On applying this hair oil, initially some people may observe hair fall for a couple of weeks, but over a period of 2 to 3 months, it leads to hair growth and prevention of hair fall. Some people complain of small bumps on forehead. This happens usually when the oil is applied and left on the head for a very long period of time, and also some people complain of headache. Some people experience cold and sinusitis worsening if applied at night, and this usually occurs due to its coolant nature. If this is the case, then you can opt for Neelibhringadi oil prepared with sesame oil base. This oil is manufactured by Aryavaidishala Kottakkal, Nagarjuna and other Ayurveda pharma companies. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.